Now, this is a very interesting question. This contains rational numbers as well as quadratic equation. So, first of all, if you notice, this is 3 plus 2 root 2 and this is 3 minus 2 root 2. And just a minute, please try to do this also. Now, in this one, if you notice these both, these are actually reciprocal of each other. I'll show you. Say we have 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. If we rationalize the denominator, we'll have to multiply and divide it with 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. Why do we do it? Because we want to remove this under root. There's only one formula that doesn't contain this under root, that is a square minus b square. In all the other formula, we are going to get a 2ab that will carry out this under root. Just this is one formula that won't. So we'll multiply and divide it by the opposite sign here. That is 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. So once we multiply it, we'll get 3 minus 2 root 2 multiplied by 1. That is the same number upon. This is a plus b into a minus b. So it's going to be a square minus b square. This is 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 square is 9 minus 2 root 2 square is 8. Because here we'll have 2 square multiplied by root 2 square. 2 square is 4 and under root 2 square is 2. So this would be 9 minus 8. So we'll get 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 1. So we can say that 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 is ultimately equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. So if we let, due to the same reason, if we let 3 plus 2 root 2 be x, then 3 minus 2 root 2, we just calculated it. It was equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. So that would be equal to 1 upon x. But we can't use x here because in the question there's already one x. So we'll take any other variable except for x. So we can take a. If this is a, this is going to be 1 upon a. So this would be a to the power x square minus 3 plus 1 upon a to the power x square minus 3 is equals to 6. You can solve it from here, but if you have confusion with this part also, you can like assume one more thing. You can take a to the power x square minus 3 as y. So you'll get y plus 1 upon y equals to 6. Now, can you notice that this is a quadratic equation? At least we can make it 1. Here we'll take the LCM. In the denominator, we have 1 and y. So the LCM will be y. This would be y into y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 6. So we'll get y square plus 1 equals to 6y. We'll bring this on one side and always remember in quadratic equation, we arrange it according to the degrees of the power. So here we have y square. After this, we'll write minus 6y. This y was multiplied here. This was 6y on this side. On this side, it will become minus 6y plus 1 equals to 0. Y square minus 6y plus 1 equals to 0. Now, you can see this equation. We can definitely not factorize this. We won't get any factors of 1 who's going to give us 6 as the sum. So, we'll have to use the formula, the quadratic equation formula. Now, that formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here we can get the values of a, b and c. A is basically the coefficient of x square or in this case y square. So by using this formula, we'll get y is equal to a is 1, b is the coefficient of y that is minus 6 and c is 1. So a will be 1, b will be minus 6 and c the constant term here is positive 1. So y is equals to minus b that is minus 6. So positive 6 plus minus under root b square that is minus 6 square that will give you 36. minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 1 upon 2 into 1. Now we can solve this equation. So this is 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 4. That's going to give us 32 upon 2. We are going to simplify this 32. The method for this is to do the factors. This 32 is under root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It's basically 2 to the power 5. We'll make a pair of these two 2's and this will stay inside the under root. So y is coming as 6 plus minus. This would be 4 under root 2 upon 2. We can take 2 common from these both terms. So we'll take 2 common. We'll get 3 plus minus 2 root 2 upon 2. This is going to cancel. So ultimately y is either 3 plus 2 root 2 or it's 3 minus 2 root 2. Both of these values, one of them can be y, the other will be 1 upon y. We are getting the same thing. The question is still not done. We have to find x. We just found the value of a to the power x square minus 3. So let's put this here. A to the power x square minus 3. So a was, first it was 3 plus 2 root 2 to the power x square minus 3. This can be either equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Let's check with this. So both the numbers are same. This would be to the power 1. Now the base are same, so we can make the powers also equal. So x square minus 3 is going to be equal to 1. Because the base are same, we made the powers also equal. So x square is equals to 1 plus 3, that is 4. So x is coming as under root 4. That would be plus minus 2. But we have two values of this term. So we'll put the other value also. So this can also be equal to 3 minus 2 root. So for that, a was still 3 plus 2 root 2 to the power x square minus 3. This can be equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. And if you remember, we just calculated this. That 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to this. So we can also say that 3 minus 2 root 2 can be written as 3 plus 2 root 2 whole to the power minus 1. So in that case, 3 plus 2 root 2 whole to the power x square minus 3 will be equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 whole to the power negative 1. So from here, again the bases are same, so powers can be equal. X square minus 3 can be written as negative 1. So x square will be negative 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2. So x will come as plus minus root 2. These are supposed to be the answer, but if you have a confusion with this root 2 one, you can even put it in this equation and check. If we'll put x as root 2, we'll get 3 plus 2 root 2 whole to the power root 2 square is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is negative 1 plus 3 minus 2 root 2 whole to the power again negative 1. So this is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. We just discussed it. 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 will be 3 minus 2 root 2. And here also 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 in the same manner will be 3 plus 2 root 2. So as you can see, even this root 2 value is satisfying the equation. It's coming as 6. And definitely we can take both the positive and negative values of x because here x square is coming. So plus 2 square will also be 4 and minus 2 square will also be 4. So these 4 are the answers. These are the possible values of x. And I'm saying this again, please try to do this